Here is 2026 Cayley Part B, 11. In the diagram, ABCD is a rectangle, and triangle ABC is right angle C. If triangle angle BAC equals 42 degrees, the measure of angle DCE is what? This one is really simple. So we know angle BAC equal 42 degree and angle ECA equal 90 degree. Since ABCD is the rectangle, AB is parallel to DC, so angle BAC is equal to angle DCA, which is equal to 42 degree. Angle C, or ECA equal 90. It's also equal to angle ECD plus angle DCA, so which means 42 plus angle ECD equal 90. So we get our angle ECD should be equal to 48 degree. So our right answer is C. Max was given B books. In March, he read 1/3 of this book. In April, he read 5 more of the books. Max then has 7 books left to read. If Max never reads the same book more than once, what is the value of B? We'll list our expression first. So B book minus 1/3 of B in March minus 5 books in April. Then left 7 books to read. Then we simplify, so 3b minus b minus 15 equals 21. So we get 2b equal, move 15 to the other side, so 36, b equal 18. So right now, our right answer is A, 12. The area of a circle with radius k is 15 pi. The area of a circle with radius 2k is what? So we apply the formula for the circle, area of a circle. So r squared equal r squared pi equal the area s. So in this case is k squared pi equal 15 pi. We cancel the pi out, cancel pi. And since k's radius has to be positive, so k equal positive square root 15. And we'll apply the formula for the radius of 2k. So 2k squared pi, which is equal to 4 times, we substitute positive square root 15 into the expression, so 4 times 15 pi, so 60 pi. Our right answer is E, 60 pi. Okay, 14. 2m minus n over n equals 3 over 5. What is m over n? So we simplify, we get 2m over n times 5 on both sides, and equal times n on both sides, 3n. So we simplify, we get 10m minus 5n equals 3n. put one m on one side and on one side, so we get 10m equal 8n. So we do m over n equal 8 over 10 equal 4 over 5. So our right answer is A for 14. 15. The diameter PQ, RS, and TU of three identical semicircles are placed along line PU, as shown. If PR equal SU equal 8 and QT equal 5, then the length of PQ is what? So we first let PQ equal to D. So we say 3 diameter 3D should equal to 2PQ plus 4RQ plus QT. This one is really easy to understand, so like this. I state this section and this section is the same, and this section and this section is identical, and this part is 5. So if we count 3 diameter, 1, 2, and 3, we count this small area 4 times, so 4Q RQ. Okay, to solve this, we substitute numbers, so 2PQ 2 times 8 plus 4Q RQ. What is RQ? RQ is 8. D RQ is D minus 8. D minus 8, so left times 4 plus QT 5, which is equal to 3D. So we get 21 plus 4D minus 32. So we get 4D minus 11. Move D to the other side and times minus 1 on both sides, we get D equal 11. So our answer for PQ is equal to 11, which is our choice is D. D. Okay, 16. Two boats. Luna and Tuna live from the same dog at the same time. Luna travel northwest. Luna and Tuna. Northwest at 8 km per hour for an hour. And then stop. The Tuna travels northeast at 8 km for 1 hour. And then continue traveling north for 90 minutes, so 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour with the same speed, 8 km per hour, and ask to the nearest kilometer what is distance between the boat. Okay, this is really easy. These 2 dots, right? We connect, and this distance x is what we're looking for. And we just need to apply the Pythagorean theory. So we need looking for this area, no, this length, and this length. So this length is equal to 8 times 1.5, so which is equal to 12 km. And for this one, it has a length 2 sides for 8 and 8. So we apply the Pythagorean theory, a squared plus a squared equals 64 times 2, so 128. Wait, let me write down 128. And we plus 144, 12 squared. We get 4 times 8, 2. 272. So 270, our closest one, should be 16. Since 16 is 256. 16 squared. 18 squared is 324. So 256 is closer to 272. Okay, 17. Let S be the sum of digit of a positive two-digit integer n. Which of the following is a possible value of n minus s? This is really easy. We do a, b is a digit. So s is equal to a plus b. My s, so not that. It's s, and n is equal to 10a plus b. So n minus s equal to 10a plus b minus a plus b bracket. So we get 9a is our result. So which means n minus s is always a multiple of 9. So among our choices here, 21, 24, 35, 54, 89, D is only possible choices since 6 times 9 equals 54. So D, 17. Okay. A grasshopper started at a point 0, 0. With each jump, he moved 1 unit, either up, down, left, or right. After 6 such jumps, the grasshopper could be at any of n possible points. For example, 2 of these possible points are 3, 1, and minus 2, 4. What is the value of n? Okay, we first draw a graph. This is 0, 0, x, y, and we know x plus y equals 6, or x plus y equal 4. Okay, right now let us consider, is it possible for us to get a 3, 0? So the grasshopper jump 1, 2, 3. And we say it's continue jump 4 once, 1, 4, back, 5, and go for 6. We find out it's not possible to get an odd sum of absolute value of x plus absolute value of y. Why? Because you always have like forward and backward in order to stay at the same point. So it's impossible in this case to get an odd sum for the absolute value of x plus absolute value of y, since every time you have to either increase by 2 for every 2 moves, or increase 0 for every 2 moves. So every 2 moves, you either plus 2 or plus 0. Okay. Based on this, there's several choices for us to do. The first one is x plus y equals 6. Second, x plus y equals 4. Third is x plus y equal 2. And the fourth is x plus y equals 0. Okay. Let us consider the first case. X plus y equals 6. So we say, right now we only considered when the value is not equal to 0, either x or y is not equal to 0, and we only consider the possible case in the quadrant 1. Okay, how many possible are here? We have 1, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3. And this is not n, 5, 1, and 4, 2. Okay. And right now we consider the case which is 1 is 0, so 0, 4 times 4, so no, 0, 6, my bad. 0, 6 times 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 4, since there are 2 axes and the 4 quadrants, so there are 4 combination of 0, 6, 0, minus 6, 6, 0, minus 6, 0. So 4 plus this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5 times 4 equal 24. Okay, the first case we get 24. Second case, x plus y equal 4. So we have 1, 3, 2, 2, and 3, 1 equal x, and y is not equal to 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3 times 4, and we plus a 4 point that is on the axis, plus 4, we get 16. We list our 16 here. Third case, x plus y equal 2. So we get 1, 1. So 1 times 4 plus 4 equal 8. Third case, 8. This 4 is for the coordinate on the axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 1 times 4 is 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. And last case, x plus y equals 0. So which is only one case, 0, 0, down. So we add them together, 30 plus 17, so we get 47, which is way forward. So 24 times 16, so 49, my bad. So 40 plus 9 equal 49, which is case D. Choice B, D. Question 19. Amira rolls a standard 6 dice exactly 6 times. The means average of her first 3 rolls is 3. The result, her 4th, 5th, and 6th rolls are A, B, and C respectively. If the mean score of all 6 rolls is an integer, how many order triple A, B, C are possible? Okay. First of all, we know we're looking for an integer means. Second, we know the first 3 is integer, is average is 3. So this means we're looking for something that is 3 plus the average of these 3, say A plus B plus C, over 2 should still is a positive integer. So to do this, first of all, you should able to divide A plus B plus C. It should divided by, it's divisible by 3, so we say 3x. Second, it has to be an odd number since 3 plus 3, only odd plus odd can be even. So x can be 1, 3, and 5. So which is 3, 9, and 15 respectively. Y maximum is 15 because 3 times 5 equal 15, 3 times 6 equal 18. And the next number 3 times 7 is 21. 21 is bigger than 18. Bigger than 18, so 15 is maximum. 3 here is 3 times 1, no double. Okay. So right now only need to consider 3 cases, 3, 9, 15. First, we consider our first case, 3. So there are only one choices here is 1, 1, 1. So give us 1. Second case, with sum equal to 9. What you get? We first fix our first digit. We say first digit is 1. So we have 117, 125, 126, 135, 144. Okay. And then we circle this is not possible because the maximum number is 6. And second, 2, 5, and then it's 2, 3, 4. So only 2 cases, because if we continue 2, 4, 3, or we repeat, we'll count the repeating part later, and then it's 3. So 3, 3, 3, only 1 possible cases. So right now we see 144 here, there's 2 digits repeat. B and C we say is repeat. 2 and 225, A and B is repeat. So we say For the case where number A, B, C is different, we have 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. For 2, which is 3 possible because you think 2 place, you insert another 1 into these 3 spaces. How many possible are there? So 3. And if it's same number, so only 1. Okay, based on this, we see 1, 2, 3. 3 times 6 plus 1, 2, 4, 3. So 2 times 3 plus 1. We get 18 plus 7, 25. So our second case is 25. And our third case, 15. So since our maximum number is 6, so we only can start from 3. 3, 6, 6. And then it's 4, 5, 6. Lastly is 5, 5, 5. There are no other choices. 3, 6, 6, since there are 2 numbers is repeating, so 3 possible choices here. 4, 5, 6 is 3 different numbers, so 3 times 2 times 1, so 6. And 5, 5, 5 is 1. So right now we get 10. So third case is 10. Plus it all together, we get 36. Which is E. Yeah, E. And 20. Daniel compiles a list of all 5-letter strings that can be formed using the letter A, B, C, D, and E. He lists the string in alphabetical order, starting with A, and ending with E. How many times does the letter B occur in the 2026 string of Daniel's list? So we have A, B, C, D, E. 5 letters. And we're looking for the 2026 one. Through observation, we see actually we're trying to turn this one into modular of 5. This means A is 0, B is equal to 1, C equal 2, D equals 3, E equal 4. The biggest number to appear is E, which is 4, because every time when you get a 5, it will automatically go to the next digit. Okay. Based on this and the knowledge we have, we know the first digit can be written as what times 5 to the power of 4. And this number needs to be the biggest, as big as possible. So through calculating, we find this number is 3. 3 is corresponding to D. And the second one, which is 2026 minus 3 times to the power of 4, which is 151. 151, which is here can be written 151 equal 1 times 1 to 5, left with 26. So this digit is 1. So it is B. 26 divided by 5 to the power of 2, which is 1, left with 1. So it's also B. And right now, 1 is not divisible by 5. So this one's 0. A. Lastly, we get another B. But there's one question here. Since we assume A is equal to 0, and our list, rather than start from 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, we start from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So actually we should minus 1. So in number we should get 3, 1, 1, 0, 0. In alphabetical order, in letter we should get D, B, B, A, A. So our final answer is 2B, which is C.